Thank you. That was me padre.
Your padre has a cool voice.
Let me see. Can I? Wait, hold on. I have an idea. This can work. This can work. But it's at 70 right now. Just. Okay, let's do it.
Do it. Hello.
Have you stuck your balls in the deep fryer yet?
I thought you were
I've
redoing.
been waiting here for like 3 hours.
That was a perfect cut in for the music.
Sam, seriously, I'm just a puppet. I'm sitting on a fucking trike here. What the fuck do you want me to do?
Fine, fine. I guess I'll put him in the fryer.
Put him in the deep fryer, please.
Oh, my ball!
Alright. That was pretty convincing. Alright, you can go.
Yay!